And what type of advice would you give for someone who's just starting, let's say, rite of passage? Because I'm asking selfishly, I'm starting that in a few days. I'm really excited. But
Are
what
you
advice, yeah, what advice do you
awesome?
have for someone like that who's just starting, let's say, rite of passage?
Yeah. So do the homework. That like first and foremost, like do the exercises, do the homework. Ali actually says this in his program because he has like this, he has just so much content he can't help himself, so he puts it all out there and
He's
people
a
feel,
machine.
yeah, totally right. And he teaches you how to do that as well, and so people actually started, the students started feeling overwhelmed. They're like, I can't attend all these sessions, am I going to miss out, blah blah blah. And he was just like, go, just do the 4 videos. Like if you do nothing else, do the 4 videos we tell you to do, post them in the channel, get feedback, like really actively work on the craft, do the thing that, right,
Right.
that's most important. So like if you can't attend all the lectures, that's fine. Like I would even, that I'd even go so far as to say, like, just do the focus on doing those things first, and then add on the lectures you can attend, or like watch the replays or whatever. So that's definitely the first part. The other one is get involved in the community. People learn, we learn best from each other, right? It's like, it's primal, it's like it's tribal, like so if you don't throw yourself fully into the community, you're not going to get everything you can out of it. And I know this from experience, because when I did Rite of
Mm.
Passage 3, I think it was, I didn't get involved in the community, and I didn't get as much out of the program. Like I did probably most, and actually I didn't even complete the assignments because I didn't have that accountability and all of that, right?
Mm.
And so my writing was like okay after that, but once I became a mentor for cohort 5, I went all in, and obviously by nature of the role as well. But like, yeah, I mean, I did all the assignments, I gave people feedback, I was getting feedback, my writing just exponentially improved after that. So I think those are the 2 big ones. Like, do the work and post it into the community, and give other people feedback, because you actually accelerate your own learning by giving feedback, and then obviously getting feedback as well.